Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Our friends over at GKU have sent us this brand new D700 dash cam, 4K dash cam to try out. So we're going to take it out of the box, see what all is included, and then go ahead and try to get it installed in the truck, and then give you some real world example results of what it looks like. It's got a forward facing 4K camera and a rear facing 1080p camera. So should produce some pretty good results. We have another dash cam in my wife's Jeep, and it actually came in very handy. I'll put a video clip in right here, and it came in very handy. I recommend everybody have some sort of camera, and you can reach out to these guys. I'll put a link down below so you can check out their products, have a coupon code and everything, and see what you guys think, see if you want to pick up one of these. But I recommend everybody having a dash camera nowadays. We had an incident, like I said, with my wife's Jeep, where the dash cam came in handy and saved us a fortune with the insurance company. And so anyway, let's get to the unboxing, and then we'll get it installed in the truck and see what we got. And if you're new to the channel or just finding us, consider subscribing if you want to follow along with more stuff like this. We do truck videos, car videos, racing, travel, hobbies, install, all kinds of stuff on the channel. So you may find something you want to follow along with and stick around for more videos. We even have a boat upgrade series restoration project that we're working on now. So you might find something interesting you want to hang out for. So I appreciate you watching. Now let's get to it. So let's take a closer look at what we've got here. This is the GKU D700. It's a 4K front dash cam, and I think a 1080p rear camera is also included. If we take a look at the side here, we've got 4K front only, super night vision. Front's 170 degrees and the rear is 150 degrees, so almost full 180 degree vision out of both cameras. And it actually includes a free SD card, micro SD card, so that's nice, and it's 64 gigabytes, so that's really nice. A lot of these you have to buy an extra card, and it adds to the cost overall and everything. There's the details on it again. I'll leave the links to everything down below for you. Let's take a look at the back, see if there's anything there. Pretty standard stuff about where it comes from and whatnot. Also, so here we go, dual 4K and 1080p. Again, GPS tracking built into this. That's really nice too, because I have another dash cam that we've got in my wife's vehicle, and you actually have to purchase an add-on GPS module for the location to work and the GPS tracking. So this is all included in this package. It's got a touch screen built in and Wi-Fi and app control. So pretty nice package there. So let's get it open and see what's in the box. All right, so we've got, it's a good question, piece of plastic here. We've got our owner's manual, has all the details in different languages that we'll need. We've got us customer support contact card with all the information that we'll need. Let's see what we got over here. We've got our power adapter for the main unit. We got our rear camera, so there's the rear 1080p camera, and our installation cable and everything to plug in to the main camera. Looks like plenty enough cord to get it routed to where you need it to go to. We've got our trim panel tool, so this will be helpful to kind of pull the trim and the weather stripping a little bit on the edges depending on your application to get that cord and installation completed, so that's handy. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got a couple of adhesive cable management system here, so if you need to stick this and route the cables, that'll come in handy. Looks like we've got a few other adhesive patches maybe for the main camera mount here as well. And then over here, I'm assuming obviously very nicely protected in the foam padding, there's our adhesive mount here. So these are our spare ones in case it comes loose or we need another one or we need to remove it and replace it somewhere else. And here is our main master 4K camera. So there's our touch screen. We've got our speaker volume there. All the controls. The card has come pre-installed. It's already in the system. And then of course this will swivel and stick to your windshield to mount however you need to and adjust it to whatever angle is best for the application. Of course it's protected here as well. So everything looks pretty straightforward. So we'll get this out to the vehicle and go ahead and get it plugged in and go through the setup instructions and see what we can do with it. All right, so let's power this thing up. It's touch screen, so we should be able to just touch English, and let's see. I think we're in this time zone. We want miles per hour. And there we go. It's already recording. Let's see. Click to open system settings.
Start recording.
Oh, nice. So yeah, there we go. It's already recording. We can click to lock a file if we want to save it. Microphone, settings, Wi-Fi, our GPS is already picking up our location on there. And of course, we've got our rear view camera plugged into the side. You can see the main power here on the top and then our rear view camera on the bottom. And I've just got it set here for right now until I make sure I got it in just the right spot that I want. But we've got our rear view camera, you can see, pointed there. So if we take a look at it, it includes some adhesive, and you can rotate this camera so you can stick it to your back glass or windshield or whatever you want to there, and you can rotate this camera to make sure you have it in just the right spot where you need it. And then of course it's going to show you that preview right here on the front. So not bad. Of course it's going to go off, but you can still see it blinking on the top there that it's recording now. So like I did with my other dash cam in my wife's vehicle in the Jeep, so we did a hardwire system to the fuse box, so it will automatically come on with the vehicle, so you don't have to worry. Of course it comes with the standard cigarette lighter adapter, and it's got a USB-C plug, or just regular USB. So regular USB plug there, sorry, right there on the adapter, so you can plug in additional things and you don't lose your power outlet. And then but we'll probably do a hardwire kit in here, so it'll plug right into the fuse box, so you don't have to remember about that or have all the wires and everything, and then we'll tuck everything out of the way. But yeah, so and then we should be able to, yep, just tap right back on it, and everything comes up nice and easy. So there's a picture video of everything there, and of course out the rear. So we'll get it mounted in the vehicle, and then we'll do some test runs with it and show you exactly. We'll export the video off the card and put that in here as well, so you can see exactly what it records and how clear it is and everything. But super easy to hook up. Of course, again, it's got the adhesive on it that'll mount right to your windshield, so real quick and easy to unbox and get started right away. So on here you can see the settings menu and everything, Wi-Fi, your video segments, how long it records, time format, zone, the G sensor, all the different things in there, date and time, and of course the resolution and whatnot. So the resolution is set to 4K up front and 1080p out back. And then let's see, screen setup. You can tell it how long to stay on and off before the screen goes off. And then you've got your video segments, time format, size, G sensors, all that good stuff. So there you've got the video segment length, how long it'll record each segment of the video, and then the regular other stuff as well too. So pretty straightforward and easy to use and set up with no problem whatsoever. And with that, we are all done with this GKU D700 4K dash cam install and review. That's a mouthful. Turned out really good. It's super easy to set up and install, up and running in a matter of minutes, maybe not even minutes. You saw how quickly it came on. You punch in some dates and information and it's up and recording in no time. Now, they do have an app. You can scan the little QR code in their installation or instruction manual, and you download their app. You can connect it to the camera, and you can get information and videos off of it, the GPS information. You can share videos, save videos to your phone, stuff like that. And because this thing is also GPS enabled, they also have a program that you can install on your computer as well, and they give you code in the instruction manual for that too. And so you can then view GPS routes and map information, everything in there also. So a lot of nice features for, in my opinion, a budget-friendly camera that is super easy to set up and use. Now, the 4K footage that I put in this video, unfortunately, I had to downsize it to 1080p because I'd recorded everything else in 1080p. So that's not quite as sharp as it could be. Looking at it on the computer and everything, it's even sharper, more detail and everything. So it's a great camera overall. You know, you really ought to check into it. Again, I'll leave the link down below if you're interested in checking it out and seeing if you want to pick up one for yourself. But again, you can see the little rear facing camera right back there still up. So I got to do a little bit of wire maintenance and tucking everything up in the trim and whatnot and get it all nice and cleaned up. But again, really happy with the results. Super easy to deal with, set up right out of the box, good to go. And again, thank you to GKU for sending this out for us to check out and do a review on. I appreciate it. Also, I wanted to mention, if you have any questions at all whatsoever, please leave them down below. I'll try to answer everything I can. If you found the video helpful at all, leave a thumbs up. I sure would appreciate it. If you want to follow along with more installs like this, reviews, vehicle related stuff, travel videos, all kinds of stuff we do on the channel, please consider subscribing. I appreciate it. And again, have a great day. Thanks.